In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video on Slack. Sharing videos on Slack is a fantastic way to enhance collaboration and communication within your team. Whether you're sharing a video for a project update, a presentation, or just a fun team moment, Slack makes it easy and quick to do so. So let's dive right into the process of uploading your video. First things first, you will need to open Slack and sign into the workspace where you wish to upload your video. Once you've got Slack launched, make sure that you are logged in with the correct credentials, so you're accessing the intended workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, verify that you're in the right one before proceeding. This is quite important to ensure that your video reaches the right audience. After you've ensured you're in the correct workspace, the next step is to navigate to the specific channel or direct message where you want to share your video. Channels are ideal if you wish to share content with a group, whereas a direct message is more suitable for sharing with an individual team member. Simply click on the channel or conversation from the list on the left side of your screen. Now that you're in the right place, it's time for the next step, uploading your video. Look for the paperclip icon, which is commonly referred to as the attach icon. This icon is located right next to your message box, the space where you would typically type your messages. Clicking it will allow you to attach files to your messages. When you click on the paperclip icon, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate through your folders to find the video file that you want to share. Ensure that your video is in a compatible format, such as MP4 or MOV, which are commonly supported by Slack. Once you've found your video, select it and confirm your selection. Now, while this next step is optional, it can be quite beneficial. You have the opportunity to add a message or description alongside your video. This could be as simple as a brief explanation of what the video is about or any particular details you want to highlight for the viewers. Providing context can be immensely helpful, especially if others in your workspace may view the video later. Finally, with your video ready and any additional message in place, all that's left to do is hit the send button. By clicking send, you will initiate the upload of your video, and within a few moments, your team will have access to it right in the Slack channel or conversation you selected. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a video on Slack. This straightforward process makes keeping your team informed and engaged a breeze. You can now experiment with sharing different types of content and enjoy the seamless flow of information Slack offers. Happy sharing!